Hi, this is Manjula Shrikant. I'm associated with Jain University. It's been close to 15 years being in the industry, working with different corporates like CGI, IBM, HP, and Mercedes-Benz. And it's been close to 4 years being in education industry. It's a proud field to represent Jain University, Bangalore in this wonderful occasion organized by Brandman, where I have been honored with the honorary professorship award. It's truly a blessed feeling because over a period of years we would have done so many activities. We would have achieved small or big milestones, but if somebody recognizes it, if somebody appreciates it, if somebody applauds it and awards us, then that is the true inspiration for all our work, and all the other dots will be connected where we would have achieved something in life. After receiving this award, my responsibility, accountability, and ownership towards the society has been increased because I day in, day out deal with higher education students where we teach them management subjects, and also I train them on mind management and human values as to how to manage your mind, because it all starts with the mind. And I really feel very important to coach the students at the younger levels. So we have started at the primary level and also at the high school level and also at the higher education level, where if students are able to manage themselves, train themselves better, they can be better future leaders. And in this AI intervention, we are giving message to the students that not to shy away from AI. It is the time that you have to join hands with AI, but work with AI diligently, ethically, so that you will be capable of solving the problems, thinking critically, getting solutions in multiple dimensions, and you will be able to take your business and organization to different levels of success. So in that direction, we are coaching the students, and we are also hoping that we will be able to produce better future leaders from Jain University. Thank you so much.